Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. Customer gave us a call because with all the ice and the snow that we've had this winter, they felt it'd just be nice to have something to hold on to as they're walking in and out the house, going up in the get up to the front door and back again, and in and out the garage. That works too. But there's days when they want to come to the front door, or they've guests over, or whichever, and just having something to hang on to would really make a nice just addition to the house. And they're looking for something that had that kind of black iron look to it. And so after coming out and taking some measurements and figure out what we need, we were able to order something that was going to be the right size, the right fit, and get that anchored in to the cement. So they asked to have it over here on the right hand side of things. They thought that was going to be the least obtrusive and not really mess up the view, the look out into the yard, but also give them something solid to be able to hang on to as they walk up here and then come over here and grab the door. And then the same thing going back down. It just gives you that little piece of confidence when you go down those two steps, whatever it is. And so if you're in a neighborhood, maybe you're in Traditions of 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 or one of the 55 and up communities where you'd like to have just an extra piece of railing, just an extra piece of security, I'll take you next door and show you one of the other railings that we recently put up for a family. But we'd be happy to help you out with it. Let's go ahead and walk next door, and I'll show you one of the other homes we worked on. So this is one of the other railings that we recently put together for our family. And same situation, just wanted to have something to give you a little more confidence going in and out of the house. And so this is a vinyl option. And so we've got a pressure treated post down into the ground next to the sidewalk here, and a post that's anchored into the cement stoop. And then of course we've got our graspable railing here on the side, and the decorative pretty vinyl version with the balusters here. And it's just something that gives you just that extra step of confidence when you're coming up to the house and you're getting ready to walk inside, where you can grab that as you walk up the stairs and head on in. And it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it goes with the whole landscape of what's going on here, and just really makes all the difference for the world. So if you've got a set of stairs that you'd like to have an extra railing put on, or something out front of your house, we'd be happy to help you with that. There's nothing we don't do. Roofs, siding, windows, doors, decks, everything on the interior house, the finished basements, kitchen renovations, bathroom makeovers, whatever it might be. We'd be happy to assist you with that. Plumbing, electrical, drywall, build you a custom dream home. In addition, a garage. We do a little bit of everything. Our office staff is available to serve you weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Please choose option 2 for COPE Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects. COPE Built is your full-service construction and renovation company and a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, we're finished with it. You're going to be proud to say it's not just done. It was COPE Built. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye for now.